Hello students, my name is Anukma Dotto. Today in my YouTube tutorial video of the new series of educational videos on NCERT mathematics, which is completely free to you, I have just taken the question number 1 from the exercise 13.3 of your book under the chapter surface areas and volumes, class 10 NCERT mathematics. Now let us see what the question says. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 cm is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 cm. Find the height of the cylinder. Take pi equal 22/7 unless stated otherwise. So to proceed to the solution of this question, we must have these pre-knowledges first. When a metallic sphere is melted and recast to give the shape of a cylinder, in that case the volume of the cylinder will be the same as the volume of the metallic sphere at the same temperature. The mass of a body is directly proportional to the volume. Number 2, the formula which we use to determine the volume of a sphere. Number 3, the formula which we use to determine the volume of a cylinder. So after this we must proceed in this way. Let us draw the diagram first to be very clear. So let this one is the sphere, the radius of which according to question is 4.2 centimeters. 4.2 centimeters. So this sphere has been melted and recast to give the shape of a cylinder. So melted and recast. Now let us show the cylinder. So this is the cylinder. According to question, the radius of the base of this cylinder is 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. This one 6 centimeters. So to determine the volume of this cylinder, we must know the height. So in this case the height is unknown, so we have to assume the height of this cylinder. Let the height we assume to this cylinder is 8 centimeters. So this sphere has been melted and recast to give the shape of this cylinder. Now we should know that the volume of this cylinder will be the same as the volume of this sphere, metallic sphere, at the same temperature, irrespective of the radii of both of them. So to proceed, let us write in this way. Let the radius of the sphere, let the radius of the sphere is equal to r1. Radius of the cylinder, within bracket write recast radius of the cylinder, within bracket write recast, or you can also write in this way: radius of the base of the cylinder is equal to r2. So according to question, therefore write in this way: r1 is equal to, according to question, 4.2 centimeters, r2 according to question 6 centimeters, this one 6 centimeters. These are according to question, so write in this way within bracket. After this, proceed in this way, write in this way: let the height of the cylinder is equal to 8 centimeters. After this, proceed in this way. Now volume of the sphere is equal to 4/3 into pi into cube of the radius. So in this case, we have considered the radius of the sphere to be r1. So we will write here r1 cube, the cubic unit. So we will write unit to the power cube. So this is again equal to 4/3 into pi into, according to question, value of r1 is 4.2, so we will write 4.2 to the power cube. So unit will be cubic unit. So in this case it will be centimeters cube. Let us name this relation as 1. After this, proceed in this way: volume of the cylinder is equal to pi into square of its radius. So we have just considered the radius of the cylinder to be r2, so we will write r2 here, r2 square into height of the cylinder. So unit will be cubic, so we will write unit cube. This will again be equal to pi into value of r2, according to question 6 centimeters. So we will write here 6 square into h cubic centimeters. That means centimeters to the power 3. Let us name this relation as 2. After this, proceed in this way. Write in this way. Since the volume of the cylinder will be the same as the volume of the metallic sphere at the same temperature. Since the volume of the cylinder will be the same as the volume of the metallic sphere at the same temperature, therefore 1 and 2 implies pi into 6 square into h is equal to 4/3 into pi into 4.2 to the power 3. After this, write in this way. Therefore h, that means the height of the cylinder recast, is equal to 4/3 into pi into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2 into pi into 6 into 6. Now if we do cancellation here, this pi will be cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, so it will be 1.4. 6 7s are 42, so it will be 0.7. 6 7s are 42, so it will be 0.7. This is again equal to, now if we multiply 7 into 7, 7 7s are 49, and if we multiply 49 by 14, we will get 4 9s are 36, 4 9s are 36, 3 here, 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 19, 1 9s are 9, 1 4s are 4. Now if we add, we will get 6 here, 9 9s are 18, 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6. Now if we multiply 6 by 4, we will get 4 6 the 24, 4 6 are 24, 4 8 are 32 plus 2 34, 4 6 are 24 plus 3 27. We had 3 decimal points here, so the answer will be, before we proceed, write the units here, centimeters. So the answer will be 2.744 centimeters. That means the height of the new cylinder is 2.744 centimeters. This is the answer. So this is all for today. Why not? Of course, I will expect your kind likes, dislikes, comments, subscriptions, and clicking on the bell icon. Thank you.